Hi everyone, my name is Mansi Yadav. I'm a subject matter expert with Cloud That. Today I'm going to discuss when to move from Excel to Power BI for analyzing and visualizing your data. Let's get started.
In Excel, very limited charts are available for visualizing the data, whereas in Power BI, lot of standard visuals are available. To visualize the data, we can also import custom visuals. More than hundreds of custom visuals are available for visualizing the data, standard as well as custom visuals. So if you're looking for these type of standard and custom visuals which are more in numbers as compared to Excel, then you can move from Excel to Power BI. Second reason to move from Excel to Power BI is when you're looking for solution for making a dynamic report which will be fully interactive. For example, in this case, we can click anywhere and entire page is giving updated result, updated output, entire page is filtering out based on our selection. So if you're looking for such interactivity, then you can move from Excel to Power BI. Another reason from moving from Excel to Power BI is when you are dealing with massive or huge amount of data, then it's not a good idea to analyze or visualize the data in Excel. We can deal with millions or billions of data set in BI tools like Power BI. Excel cannot handle such massive amount of data. Next reason to move from Excel to Power BI is to use the capability of data modeling in Power BI. We can use Power BI to visualize millions of data. If data is coming from different sources, data is available in different tables, then we can build relationship between the tables. Even if it's coming from different sources, still we can build relationship and we can visualize the data. So to use data modeling capability of Power BI, you can move from Excel to Power BI.